Hey, we are doing a family tie-dye for Father's Day. So we're gonna show you everything that you need in order to do tie-dye with your kids. The first is we got a bunch of tie-dyes. These are SEI, and we did a camo combo, and we did neons as well. So there's a little something for the boys and the girls. You'll also need a bunch of white. We did white sweatshirts, white sweatpants, and white zip-up hoodies for everybody. And then you're also gonna need either a big pitcher of water. We didn't have that, so I'm using this instead. If you have a spray bottle, that's great. You don't have that, so I'm using a strainer, and some garbage bags, rubber bands, and some plastic gloves. Now let's get tie-dye. You want to make sure that all of your cotton sweatshirts are damp before you start, so we're just going to soak them in some water first. Now that all of your materials are damp wet, the next step is to scrunch. Once you've scrunched it into a tight ball, you're going to take your rubber bands and secure it.
In the tie-dye, I have green, pink, and white. Yeah! I'm going to choose green, black, and purple for my tie-dye. DE one, brown and blue.
What color do you guys want to do for Daddy's tie-dye?
Yeah!
Took them out of the dryer, and here's how they turned out.